Okay, the next thing that we want to do is we want to reframe what that challenge was. So when I looked at what happened to Laura, I went deeper, right? So we went from just a bad ed event to going down to building community with folks who are kind of justice-oriented and whatnot, right? And now I want to reframe that as something that I can actually help Laura with, okay? So thinking about it, I would probably say, let me see, how, my writing's kind of bad, oh well. How can I help Laura build, let's do this, community wherever she goes? Okay? This is taking that pain point that I heard her talk about and turning it into something that I can work on. It's the same content, it's just flipped. Remember how Jill did that reframe in the video? She was like, oh, it's about the substitute teachers and that problem. And then she was like, no, it's about how the kind of teachers are dealing with that, right? She was just reframing it to look at like what she could do to help. You're doing the same thing. You're taking that lowest point and turning it into something you can do to help.
And the thing in here that we like to think about is like any good open-ended question, it has multiple answers, but it also has a really nice activating verb. You can make something with that. You can build something with the idea of building is expansive, right? I can do lots of things with that. So when you play around with your questions, a good test is there a verb in there? And is there like an infinite way of potentially answering this question? Right? And again, this is not about making it the best question you've ever written in your entire life, right? This is fast. This is just about getting something to move you along.
Okay, let me just talk about exactly what we're going to do again, right? You're going to take that lowest pain point, or even, you don't even have to choose that one. If there was one that you thought was more interesting, like if I was really like, actually it was about her moving to the Bay Area and not having a community to start, I might focus there. But you get to basically choose kind of one of those things, turn it into some sort of way that you can help your partner, test it out very quickly to say like, is there one solution to this, or could I have many? And you're going to physically write that on that piece of paper. Does that make sense? Is that clear? All right, let's try that out. This is solo work. This is individual work. So you're just at this point not working with your partner. You're just trying to figure it out for your partner. And you will have 2 minutes to do that. Sound good? Give it a shot. Let's try it out. 2 minutes.